Hello guys, so today we will be making a ninja star made out of paper. It is a very easy origami. So for the star we need 2 pages of paper. We'll cut it into a square piece. Now we'll cut the second paper. Now what we will do is we'll make a grease over here. Make a dark line. And we'll fold it through the line, this side as well as the other side. And now we'll place one over the other. We'll do the same with the second paper. And now what we are going to do is we'll make a dark line again in the middle and flap the paper over here. Now flap it behind. Now we will do it from we'll flap the paper from outside till inside. Don't do it like this, it will be of a different kind. You do it from outside to inside. Now flap one this and this. The same thing with this side. This. It's a hard paper, it's better if you use a soft paper. And this is a ninja star. Thanks guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit that bell icon and smash the like button. Thank you.